How to drill safely on the karst formation?
Your answer is casing tubes. These are straight strong tubes that go down to the ground before the drilling even starts. With really hard rocks here on karst landform, we have tube fuses with teeth that help you go straight down to it.
Yes, and as the drilling tools go down, it has been protected by the casing tubes, so it is very necessary to use the casing tubes to drill on this karst formation. And instead of being misguided by the cavities on the ground.
More importantly, it avoids excessive wearing when the drilling tool reaches the cavity and is affected by uneven pressure in the cavities. Do you want to know more about Unimate drilling tools?
If so, please follow us and pay attention to our next video. We will take you to have a close look next video. See you next time.